And that takes us to the last of the file-related components, which is a file count monitor. So talk us through this one.
Yeah, so just like the rest of them, you come through, you configure a directory path. In this situation, just like the previous one that we saw here, you can do file extension filter, but then you also have file attributes. So you can specify, am I looking for a certain amount of read-only files, if that's an expectation, if they're hidden files, compressed, et cetera. So there's several options there that you can define, and that's ensuring that you're only looking for a certain amount of files if that is a requirement from your monitoring standpoint.
Excellent. All right, and just to do that test, just because it's fun and we get to see some results here. And as you can see, there's exactly one amazing, incredible file in that directory.